How to upload a video on TikTok from your phone's gallery. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily upload a video from your camera roll on your TikTok account. So the very first thing that you need to do is open up your TikTok application and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, you'll find different tabs on the bottom of your screen. First one is your home screen, then your friends, and then this plus icon. You just want to tap on this plus icon to create a new video. So once you tap on the video, what you usually do is long press on this to create a video. But if you want to select it from your gallery, just tap on this icon right here and then select a picture from your gallery. Now I'm just going to select a video that I want to post, tap on next, and once you do that, you can just simply tap on next and post this on your profile. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.